Welcome to Project Ventive channel. Please subscribe, comment, like and share.
Have you ever wondered why Python is one of the most popular programming languages today? Its versatility and power shine in domains like web development, data science, machine learning, and scientific computing. And with its beginner-friendly syntax, extensive libraries, and active community, Python's readability, versatility, and extensive libraries make it a go-to choice for many programmers. What makes Python stand out among other programming languages? Its readability, making it inviting for beginners and streamlined for experts. Its versatility, allowing it to tackle a wide range of tasks. Its extensive libraries, providing ready-made solutions, and its active community, fostering learning and improvement. Python's key features make it an attractive choice for both beginners and experienced programmers. Wondering what Python is used for? Its applications span web development, data science, machine learning, scientific computing, scripting and automation, and even education. It's the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. Python's wide-ranging applications make it a versatile tool in the programming world. Python's strength lies in its vast libraries. Libraries like NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data analysis, scikit-learn for machine learning, Matplotlib for data visualization, and Django and Flask for web development. These libraries enhance Python's functionality, making it one of the most powerful programming languages. Thinking about a career in Python programming, opportunities abound. Python programmers can flourish as data scientists, machine learning engineers, web developers, software engineers, or data analysts. Python's high demand across various industries makes it a valuable skill for anyone interested in technology or data-driven fields. Considering learning a new programming language? Why not discover Python? With its beginner-friendly syntax and a wealth of resources to kickstart your journey, Python is a fantastic starting point. Dive into Python programming and you'll open doors to numerous opportunities in the tech world.
Thank you for watching Project Ventive channel. Please subscribe, comment, like and share.